Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling your legs steady beneath you again, your back straight, your arms no longer weak but strong, as if your body has finally begun to rebuild itself overnight. Imagine opening your eyes and realizing that the tiredness you have carried for years has begun to fade, that you feel younger, firmer, and more alive than you have in a long time. Now let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you truly woke up feeling strong? Not just rested, but genuinely powerful inside your body? For many seniors, that feeling slowly fades away after 60. Muscles weaken, energy drops, balance gets shaky, and even a simple walk feels heavier than it used to. But what if I told you that your body has the power to rebuild and strengthen itself while you sleep, if you give it the right nutrients before bed? Stay with me, because in this video, we are going to talk about 2 powerful vitamins that can help your body build muscle and strength even as you rest. These nutrients are like tiny engineers, repairing your cells, rebuilding your fibers, and preparing your body to wake up stronger every morning. So, before we go deeper, I want you to comment below and tell me, have you been waking up tired, weak, or sore lately? I want to know your story because you are not alone in this. Thousands of seniors feel the same way every day, and together we are going to find out how to change that naturally. Now, the first vitamin is something your body already knows well, but might not be getting enough of anymore. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. But do not let that nickname fool you. This vitamin is more powerful than most people realize. Vitamin D is not just about bones. It acts like a hormone in your body, controlling the way your muscles contract and repair themselves. Inside your muscles are small fibers made of protein. When you move, walk, or lift even a small weight, those fibers create microscopic tears. During sleep, your body rushes to repair them, making them thicker and stronger, but that repair process depends heavily on vitamin D. Without enough of it, your body struggles to activate what are known as muscle stem cells, the special cells responsible for building and maintaining muscle tissue. That means your body keeps working, but it is like trying to build a house without enough bricks. This is one reason many seniors, even those who eat well, feel weaker with time. Studies show that people with low vitamin D often lose muscle faster, suffer more cramps, and experience slower recovery after walking or climbing stairs. The solution might sound simple: more sunlight. But after 60, your skin produces less vitamin D from sunlight exposure. Add in limited outdoor time, and you can see why deficiency is so common. That is why many doctors suggest taking a vitamin D3 supplement in the evening with a small meal, because your body absorbs it better with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. Once inside, vitamin D goes to work overnight, activating calcium transport into your muscles and supporting the production of testosterone and growth factors that help repair and rebuild muscle fibers. When combined with a good night of sleep, this vitamin becomes your body's natural strength booster. But here is where it gets fascinating. Vitamin D works best when paired with another nutrient that acts like its partner, magnesium. And that brings us to the second vitamin you absolutely need if you want to wake up stronger. Now, technically, magnesium is a mineral, but its role in your muscles makes it just as vital as any vitamin. Think of magnesium as the spark that allows your muscles to relax and rebuild. Every time you move a muscle, 2 minerals work together. Calcium makes it contract, and magnesium helps it relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense, stiff, and unable to recover properly. That stiffness you feel in your calves or shoulders when you wake up in the morning, that might not be just aging, it might be a silent magnesium deficiency. During the night, your body cycles through stages of deep sleep, and this is when most repair happens. Magnesium supports this process by calming your nervous system and promoting the release of melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. When you sleep deeper, your body increases human growth hormone levels, a key chemical for muscle recovery and repair. So, when you get enough magnesium, you're not only helping your muscles relax, you're allowing your body to spend more time in deep restorative sleep, where muscle growth actually occurs. That is why some experts call magnesium the night vitamin. It is like your body aw's internal mechanic, quietly fixing what got worn out during the day. Now, let me share something personal. I once spoke to a senior named Linda, a retired teacher in her 70s, who told me she could barely get out of bed without leaning on her nightstand. Her legs felt heavy, her arms shaky, and her hands weak. She had always assumed that was just how aging worked. But after her doctor ran some tests, they found she had low vitamin D and magnesium levels. Within 3 months of adding both, vitamin D3 during dinner and magnesium glycinate before bed, she noticed a change. She told me she felt like her body was finally listening to her again. Her sleep improved, her legs stopped cramping, and she could walk longer without resting. That is not magic. That is biology working the way it was meant to. The human body never forgets how to heal. It just needs the right tools. Now you might be wondering, can these vitamins really rebuild muscle in seniors? The answer is yes, and science backs it up. Studies have shown that older adults who take vitamin D and magnesium regularly tend to have greater muscle strength, better balance, and a lower risk of falls. One study from the University of Birmingham found that when vitamin D levels are raised, muscle cells actually increase protein synthesis. That is the process of turning amino acids from your food into new muscle tissue. Another study revealed that magnesium helps convert glucose into energy, giving your muscles the fuel they need to function even when you are at rest. And when both nutrients are combined, they work synergistically, meaning each one enhances the other's effect. Vitamin D helps your body absorb magnesium more efficiently, and magnesium, in turn, activates vitamin D into its usable form inside your cells. This powerful partnership helps your body maintain healthy muscle tone, prevent cramps, and even improve your energy during the day. Think about it. You spend nearly 1/3 of your life sleeping, yet most people never realize that sleep is not just rest. It is repair time. While you dream, your body is working hard, producing new cells, clearing out toxins, and repairing tiny muscle tears from daily movement. But if your body lacks the right nutrients, that repair system slows down. Instead of waking up stronger, you wake up sore, stiff, and fatigued. By giving your body vitamin D and magnesium before bed, you are telling it, "Here, take what you need to rebuild me," and it listens. You might notice after a few weeks that climbing stairs feels easier, your posture improves, or that afternoon fatigue disappears. These are small signs that your muscles are coming back to life. Now let's talk about how to get them naturally too, because I always believe food should come first. Vitamin D is highest in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Even egg yolks and fortified milk contain it. But remember, sunlight is still the best natural source. Just 10 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight can help, but if you live in a cloudy area or stay mostly indoors, a supplement becomes essential. For magnesium, look to dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, or Swiss chard. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews, are excellent sources too. Even dark chocolate, the good kind with high cocoa, has a healthy dose of magnesium that supports your nerves and muscles. Now, here is something interesting many people do not know. If you take calcium supplements without enough magnesium, your body might become imbalanced. That is because calcium causes muscles to contract, while magnesium allows them to relax. If you have too much calcium and too little magnesium, you could experience muscle cramps, stiffness, or even restless sleep. This is why many experts recommend taking magnesium in the evening, separate from calcium, so your muscles can fully relax and recover overnight. And speaking of recovery, there is another hidden benefit of these vitamins. They help protect your heart. Both vitamin D and magnesium support cardiovascular muscles, helping your heart maintain steady rhythms while you sleep. Magnesium regulates electrical impulses that control heartbeat, while vitamin D helps reduce inflammation in blood vessels. So, when you wake up feeling refreshed and steady, it is not just your arms and legs thanking you. It is your heart too. If you have ever woken up with your hands tingling, your calves tightening, or your back aching, that is your body trying to tell you something. It is not weakness. It is a signal, a reminder that your cells need help, that your body is asking for these nutrients it once had plenty of. And the best part? It is never too late to start. Your muscles have memory. Your cells remember strength. Give them what they need and they will respond.